In this episode, I have recruited my wife, Sandra, to come down in the scorching Florida summer heat to help clean up the wreckage, clear the way so that we can begin our repairs to our hurricane-damaged boat. I hope you enjoy today's episode.
Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out. Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deepest.
This is the first time.
I'm here. This is my first time coming to see the boat since the hurricane, and I am very nervous. I'm nervous to go inside and see what is that we need to do to start getting the boat back to her capabilities, what she is capable. That was our home, babe.
Yeah, we lived on the boat for a year and a half.
Yeah.
Ish.
So, yeah.
Year and change. It's a significant place for us, and we want to get this back. So today we're back. We're gonna make this happen. We're starting this video out in the car in the air conditioning because it is
Hot. It's still hot out there,
92 degrees outside.
but it feels like 100 outside.
At 92 degrees, that 92 is gonna feel cool compared to what it's like inside the boat. I know that our window, it's one of the challenges that everyone who has a boat here that works on it in the summer or attempts to get work done in the summer. I don't have an air conditioner attached to the boat right now, and I have to try to get in there, get this done, and leave. But we're committed to making these trips, and we're committed to making this happen. I'm very, very committed. She's committed. She got excited watching the videos. Oh, by the way, I want to thank everybody who commented and subscribed.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for watching our videos.
So thank you, Jan, for telling me that I can save that the sale.
That's a big plus.
Really good.
Yeah.
And if I don't remember everybody's name in the comments right now, I just didn't memorize it, but I remember Jan right offhand, easy. Jan, thanks for that. I will be getting a sail maker. And then thanks for the individual who told me how to fold the sail right.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I will get that right. So noted. No good advice is going to go, I'm going to listen, and
Yeah.
we're going to get this done. This boat is going back in the water, and we're going to take her, and it's going to be great. We just have to start putting the energy towards it, and it'll all come back in. So we're going to get in there and get this done. Thanks for watching. Hope you
Thank
enjoyed
you so
today's
much.
show. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, please like, share, subscribe. It helps the channel out immensely. Like, you want to know how you help? Like, share, subscribe. That's how you can help.
And it keep us the
Motivation.
to continue creating the videos and working hard at the boat.
It got her motivated seeing it. And
I
so,
was giving up. To be
yeah,
honest, I was giving up, and all of a sudden I just see his face and his desire to do this, and I'm like, okay, fine. You know, him begging you guys out there to help him, and I just felt like I needed to be here with him and just help him and do the best I can.
we're going to get started.
Yes,
No one
we
less.
gotta start working.
Yeah,
We gotta
let's
start
go.
working.
Okay. Oh no, this is a regular screwdriver. So all I have to do is unscrew this. It's a regular screwdriver.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a pain. Okay, watch yourself. Right behind you is a
Yep.
thing.
Okay, just try to put this here for now.
It's hot, but it's not so bad. Okay,
I'm going to open.
hold on. I might want some help. We're about to have a clear. All right.
Okay.
This is light.
Yeah. That's very good.
Can you go down and grab it? Because it is light, so
Why didn't you just do that?
I don't want to just drop it. It's quality stainless steel. It's very expensive, and if we can use it again for our next bimini and not have to buy another set. And right underneath the boat, like in our space. Thank you. There yet. Can you lift this? No. This, I need it. Do you see how it is like this? Look.
Yeah.
It's bent. So pick this up on this side. Okay, do that. You see how it's angled? I need it re-angled. You know what? Forget about this. I'm not gonna fight it like that.
Oh.
Okay.
Have a camera with you. Oh my god. So hot. So hot. So let's open the windows. Try to open this. Okay. I hope I can open it. Let's start taking this out. We're gonna need every penny. Gonna have to take a break and get some water. It's hot.
That one's seen better days. But I'm optimistic about this. I don't know how I'm optimistic. But I'm optimistic. That spreader is clean off. All right, I feel good. Okay. We're good. I'm gonna leave this as it sits here. The Dodger. This Dodger's totally saved. I don't have to replace the Dodger frame. I'm gonna have to replace all the stuff, but the Dodger frame can be replaced. No, I didn't leave the Dodger on during the hurricane, just so you know, but I needed to replace it anyways. It was old. If you look in the videos, like it's old, it's gotta be replaced. It's something I had to do, so I'm gonna do that. But we're good there. So I don't need a new Dodger frame. This is a nice Dodger frame. It actually looks great.
It's hot.
Like
You go, you do what you can, and you
like
have to get the hell
20, 30 minutes, and then you gotta run away.
Yeah.
It's too much. All you can do is laugh.
Yeah.
That's all you can
And
do.
it's a little wind, just a little tiny wind.
Yeah, some breeze.
Some breeze.
Oh, that's good news. Looky, looky. She's all dry. It's a little bit of dampness, but it's not still coming. So that's good. All right. There's a small win. I'll take a small win. Are there any other pillows for this? Or is this? See, I want both bags. got it. The last ones, the ones that were already in there are good. Oh, look at this. I can walk through. Oh, those are big steps.
It's huge steps. It doesn't feel like it, but just taking the few little things out. It's just staying. You took everything out of here?
72-hour survival food kit from Patriot Food Supply. Get yours today. This is not sponsored. I would like Patriot. Please call me. I will
Honey,
pimp myself.
you didn't take this
Oh,
one.
here. Can you grab them?
So this is where we end today's video. I want to thank everybody for watching. And I know it's not the most exciting stuff in the world, but it is the process of getting this boat ready to get ready. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.